Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect a DJ system for beginners.
Hey!
What?
What are you doing in my channel? This is my channel, not your channel.
What?
Yeah.
What you mean? I don't have a DJ channel?
No, you have a car channel.
Oh shit, I do.
Alright guys, this is my son. If you guys want to follow his car channel, I'll put the link down at the bottom. Follow him if you're into mini trucks or...
Make sure I got that one over there. Show that thing. A mini truck.
And you want to shout out your channel?
Yeah, it's Mad Helix, just Mad space Hilux, Hilux.
For anyone that is into...
Any cars at all.
Pretty much into cars, right?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up everybody? What's up everybody? Good afternoon or good evening. I say that because over here it's about 7 p.m. But today I'm going to do a quick video on how to connect a controller to speakers. And right now I have set up 2 tops, 2 bottoms. This video I'm going to do it for DJs that are starting out, beginner DJs. I do get a lot of messages either through Facebook or through YouTube. They want to ask me pretty much, they're starting out. They want a little help. So I'm going to do a quick video just to show them how I'm connecting my system. I'll try to do again 2 tops to 2 bottoms, and also 2 tops, 1 bottom, or just 2 tops. And also I'll do it with just the controller, and I'll do it also with the mixer. And also I'm going to show you guys what I recommend for my cables that I use. I've been using these monster cables. I had them for like almost 10 years I think. I also recommend using this one right here, an LFX. See, let me get this camera to focus again. There you go. And these are nice, and what I like about these ones, they come with the label of the length. Okay, so looking back at the back of your controller, most controllers, especially any controller, maybe not the entry-level controllers, but most of them will have XLR out, and if not, they'll have RCAs or quarter out. But if you have XLR on your controller, make sure you use the XLR, which is the 3 pins right here. There you go, you can see a little better. So what you do, let's start with this one. You're gonna, again, I have my labels marked. Another thing that I recommend is to mark your labels. Put a label on your cables. That helps to, when you set up, make it a little bit easier. So I always have the red is the right, the white I have it for the left. So the first cable goes out of the controller. Again, this is without a mixer. And goes into the back of your right subwoofer. Now from here, you're gonna take the output of this one over to the top speaker. And it will be exactly the same thing on the left. So you come out of here, you go to that bottom, to the top speaker. Alright, one last quick tip before I show you the next connection setup. When you use tripods, which I do see a lot of beginner people, they do this mistake, and it's actually a dangerous mistake. When you set up your tripods, always make sure you set them up and the legs right here are nice and straight, nice and wide open, and this nice and flat, parallel to the floor. Alright, so for the next video, I'm just going to show how to connect 2 tops to 1 bottom. Alright, so to connect 1 sub to 2 tops, very easy. Connect out of your controller, right and left, and from here you go to your right and left inputs on your subwoofer. Again, depending on which subwoofer you are using, some of them only have 1 input. If you have 2, you should be able to use both of them. You just gotta keep an eye on your volume because you're getting double the power now. From here, you're gonna go out from here to 1 top, and from here to the other top. If you're only connecting 2 tops, no subs, Just again, very simple. Just connect from here. The right will just go to the top. The left will go to the left. Okay, so if you're using a separate PA mixer, this is what I'm currently using, a small one. I also have a Mackie mixer, 12 channel, but for right now what I'm using, this is enough. It's a 6-channel mixer. I use the 1 and 2 channels for microphones and 3, 4 for my channel, for my controller, and this is for another backup controller or for anything else that I want to plug in. It's very simple. All you need to do is out of your master, out of your controller, from here you're going to connect to either 3 or 4 or 5 and 6 channels, and from here you will control it from your volume right here. Your master is out right here, and of course from here, which is your master out, from here, instead of connecting out of this one, this will go to your subwoofer, then to your tops. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll try to make a better video on connecting a mixer if you guys have any questions, or how to use any of these buttons also. And of course you have your microphone connected to your microphone in, to microphone 1 input, to your backup microphone. If you are using a wireless microphone, I always recommend to have a wire microphone always connected, ready for backup. And this is my wireless microphone that I have right now. I highly recommend it. Of course, Shure is also a very good brand. I'm using Audio Technica. And you're ready to rock and roll with your wireless microphone. Again, if you're going to be using a separate PA mixer, just connect your microphone to either 1 or 2 channel, to the first or second channel, so you can have better control of your mic volume and everything else. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, please leave a comment. And again, this is mainly for beginner DJs.